Hello, my name is Alexia and I'm the owner of Atelier Cromatico shop. I will show in this video how to use the printable digital kit to determine your color season, your palette and your best colors. First of all, I want to tell you that if you have the opportunity, it's better to do the analysis with image consultant, a color consultant. So if you want to do the analysis, a digital analysis with me, you can buy it on my Etsy shop. I made this digital kit not only for people who wants to know their color season, but also for image consultants that want to use this with their client to determine their season. You can use this if you don't have the drop, or if you don't want to buy the drop, or simply if you want to use both drop and both the frames. So let's start. So first of all, we have to determine our undertone. We can have a cool undertone or a warm undertone. There is no neutral. Every person has a cool undertone or a warm undertone. So you will understand when you compare the warm color and the cool color, what color suits you better. So we can start comparing these two colors. In the files you have the numbers with the couple of colors you have to compare. It's better to compare these two colors because it's easier to understand what color suits you better. So let's start. We will compare these two colors first, so orange and magenta on me. Start with the orange, then put the other color and see what color suits better, you or the client. You have the name and if it is cool or warm. I have now this in Italian, but because I'm Italian, but in the file you have it is in English. With me, you can see that orange is not so good as the magenta is. So with this comparison, it's clear that it seems that I have a cool undertone. You have to compare the other color to understand if it's in this way. So if I have a cool undertone. The next color are this cream, this peach, and the cool, that is the pink pastel, and this a cool pink. And you can see that this is not so good. It's better this. You can see that between the peach and the pastel pink, for me is better this. So when you have compared these two, you can see that cool is my undertone. You have also other three couple of color. I will not show you all, the video will be very long, but you don't have only these two, these 4 frames, but you have also other three couple of colors, warm and cool colors that you can use to understand the undertone. So the next step is understand what is your intensity and what season you are. So you have determined your undertone. You are a cool or warm undertone. If you are a cool undertone, you can be a cool season, so or summer or winter. If you have a warm undertone, you can be a warm season, so a spring or autumn. So what's next? I have a cool undertone, so the next step is understand my season and my intensity. If I have a high intensity, I will be a winter. If I have a low intensity, I will be a summer. What means the intensity? The intensity of the colors. So if the colors are more deep, are more dark, I'm a winter. If the intensity is lower, I will show you the color so you can understand. This is the violet with high intensity, this is the lilac that has a low intensity. This is the green with high intensity, this is an emerald, and this is the green with low intensity, and this is a sage. So if you have a high intensity you will and a cool undertone, you will be a winter. If you have a low intensity and a cool undertone, you will be a summer. If you have a warm, I will show you a scheme so you will understand better. If you have a warm undertone and a high intensity, you will be a spring, so your colors are vivid, are very bright. And if you have a low intensity and a warm undertone, you will be a autumn. So I have a cool undertone. The next step is understand my intensity. So let's go. This is sage, and you can compare with other color of the couple, that is the emerald, and you can see that for me it's better the higher intensity, that is the emerald, compared to the sage. Then you can see the same with the violet, with this lilac. You can see that it's not bad, but it's a little bit so low for my face. If you put this on my face, you can see that it's perfect with my face. My face, the color is not low, the intensity of my face, like the lilac, but it's perfect with my face. I'm doing this video, I'm trying to explain you in a simple way, but there's a lot of more things to say, but I don't want to make a very long video. It's just to understand how it works. So this is high intensity and this is low intensity. You can see the difference. It's very clear. I think that it's very clear for me. So I have high intensity and I'm a winter. And you have to determine your season. I'm a winter. If you want to understand also the groups under winter, so if you are a cool winter, if you are a bright winter, if you are a deep winter, you can use the other kit that you see in the description, that has a lot of different color around you can put a different color around the face and understand your sub-season. So this was how the digital kit works. If you want to determine your color season, you can buy it, and you can find the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. If you have a question, if something is not clear, you can contact me or you can leave a comment and I will reply you. Sorry if I didn't explain too much deep, but I don't want to make a very long video. I try to make it simpler as I can, so let me know if it's clear. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.